Welcome to the 3x30 challenge. If you're here, you probably fall into one of two groups. You're curious about trading and didn't know where to start, or you've tried before and it felt like chaos. Here, we're trying to execute one clean move. That's it. One move, one routine, one repeatable skill. You don't need experience and you don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up and follow the plan. Almost every day, the market moves 30 pips. Not 100, not some giant trend, 30. And beginners often miss that because they're trying to catch the entire move. But trading isn't about capturing everything. It's about taking your piece, clean, structured, and repeatable. That's what we're training here. This challenge does three things. It builds confidence. Most traders quit because they never see real results. It builds skill. We focus on one routine so your brain actually learns it. And it builds structure. We have a plan, a process, and a rhythm. And you're not doing this alone. You have the whole entire community and me guiding you in the process. Let's talk about what this is not. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is not a full market masterclass. And this is not 10 different strategies, and you definitely will not be sitting in front of a computer trading all day. We're not doing the typical YouTube chaos with 12 indicators and 500 strategies. The entire challenge is this: 30 pips, 3 days a week, one routine for 30 trading days. We're mastering one clean move 3 times a week. It's simple structure, less stress, better decisions. So here's what you get inside of this 3x30. There's about 8 trading modules, daily guidance messages, weekly live chart sessions. We have workbooks and trackers, and of course the community inside the circle. So you won't be guessing what to do. There's a clear routine, and routines build results. Here's what you need for the challenge. We'll be using TradingView, a demo account, and 30 to 60 minutes a day. Most people finish their 30 trading days in about 60 to 70 days, and that's completely normal. You're not behind, you're learning a skill. Confidence comes after consistency, and those small wins, they stack up. You don't need to know everything. You just need to learn one thing well, and that's what we're learning here. We'll slow it down, we'll build a skill the right way, and then we'll trade together. When you finish this welcome module, go start module 1.